Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Tesla maintenance, how to keep your Tesla in a good order, what maintenance you need to do on a daily, monthly, yearly checks, and how much it costs. I will tell you at the end of the video how much I spent this year to maintain my Tesla Model 3. So enjoy the video. We are passing in front of Madame Tussauds Museum in London, and the first thing to know for Tesla maintenance is that electric cars are different than motor vehicle with petrol because of less moving parts. There are around 15 moving parts in an engine for electric car compared to 250 for a petrol car. So unlike gasoline cars, Tesla require no traditional oil change, fuel filter or spark plug replacement or emission checks. As an electric car, even brake pad replacements are rare because of the regenerative braking returns to the energy to the battery. This is significantly reducing the wear and tear of the brakes. So when should you bring your car to service center? So the car should generally be serviced on as needed basis. However, if you read the Tesla user guide, they recommend the following maintenance item and intervals as applicable to your vehicle to ensure continual reliability and efficiency of your Model 3. So they recommend daily checks, monthly checks, and yearly checks. So let's go to them one by one. Tesla recommends some daily checks that you do before you drive, and you probably do it already without noticing, but let's review them one by one. First, they ask you to check the battery charging level displayed on the touchscreen or on your mobile app. The second is to check the condition and the pressure of the tire, and on this one you will get an alert on the screen if the tires are too low. You should also check your exterior lights, the horn, the turn signal and the wiper of your car. You should check as well if there is any unexpected indicator light or vehicle alert on your touchscreen, so you will see that by default. You should check the operation of the brake, including the parking brakes, and you should check the operation of the seat belt. You should also check before you drive that you don't have any fluid underneath your car. It is normal in the summer to have a little bit of water drops. This is caused by the air conditioning system will create some water will drop under your car in the summer. And then the last check you should do on a daily basis, and you probably do that as well, is to look around your car for any corrosive substance such as bird droppings, tree resin, tar spot, dead insect, or some industrial fallout from construction worker. This will help you to prevent damage to the paint of the car. We are in Camden Town. The next thing that Tesla recommends is some monthly checks, and this is to check the windshield water fluid level and to top up if necessary. Same thing there, if you don't check it, you probably will get an alert if the level is too low. And you can check that the air conditioning system is operating correctly, and this you probably will notice as you use it normally. So what should we need to do on a yearly basis as recommended by the Tesla manual? So first they ask to clean and lubricate the brake calipers on a yearly basis or every 12,500 miles or 20,000 kilometers. if you live in an area where the roads are salted during the winter. For us, this is not the case. So the second thing to do every year is a tire rotation, the balance or the wheel alignment, as recommended by Tesla. But this is a trick. They don't recommend the same thing on the manual and on the support on the website. On the manual, they will say that Tesla recommend to rotate the tire every 6,250 miles, or if the tread depth difference is 2 out of 32 or greater, whichever comes first. They say that aggressive driving can lead to premature tire wear and may require more frequent tire service. And balance and misaligned wheels may affect the handling, the tire life, and steering component. But then in the support section of the Tesla application, you can see they recommend to change the tire only every 16 to 20,000 kilometers, and if the tread depth difference is 1.5 millimeters. So the question is, when do you rotate your tires? I would like to know, and you can comment in the comments below. Every 2 years, what needs to be done? So Tesla also comment on the fluid replacement intervals, and this is quite important. Your battery coolant does not need to be replaced for the life of your vehicle under most circumstances. The brake fluid should be checked every 2 years and replaced if necessary. If the vehicle is owned for towing, the brake fluid should be replaced every 2 years, regardless of the health check. The second thing you can do every 2 years is the cabin air filter. Your Tesla is equipped with an air filter that prevents the pollen, industrial fallout, road dust, and other particles from entering through the vent, and you should replace it every 2 years. So in the car, you also have a high efficiency particle air filter called HEPA, and Tesla recommends to replace this HEPA air filter every 3 years. And now, what do they recommend to do every 6 years? So every 6 years you should replace the air conditioning desiccant bag, and this is a little bag who collect water from the air conditioning system. So they recommend to change this one every 6 years. So for services, you can book a air conditioning service. A air conditioning service replaces the desiccant to help the longevity and efficiency of the air conditioning system. Tesla recommends a air conditioning service every 6 years for Tesla Model 3. So to note, all those intervals are based on normal driving behavior and scenarios. Tesla also recommends some winter care for your car, but the only thing they recommend is to clean and lubricating all the brake calipers every 12 months or 12,500 miles for car in cold winter region. So this is mainly due to the salt on the road for the car. If you want to schedule a maintenance service, the best way to do it, and recommended by Tesla, is to do it inside the Tesla app on your phone. So how much cost did we spend in the first year of owning a Tesla for maintenance purpose? You want to know, and I would like to know how much did you spend as well. So for us, the cost was simple. It was zero cost due to impeccable car and zero maintenance needed in the first year. We'll probably rotate the tire pretty soon, but that will be the only thing we had to do in year one. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button and also to subscribe if you want to see more of those videos. This will help the channel to grow and will motivate me to do more video for you on my Tesla Model 3 driving inside London. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy it. It was great to explain the maintenance mode of our Tesla Model 3, and I will leave you with some picture and driving around North London, and hope to see you soon for another video on my channel. Thank you very much, and bye bye.